What do you got? What do you got? Are we going castle? Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Watch your right, get low, get low.
Gotta reload, cover me.
Yep.
Got two up there pulling right. We gotta get out of here.
Yeah, we gotta get across that bridge right there.
Let's go. Let's go. We gotta get across the bridge. Don't get caught in here.
Keep me moving.
Where's the green zone end?
You already passed it.
Thank you.
We're good. We just gotta get out of here.
Come down and get across the bridge. Go. Go. I don't see any of them, do you? He's in a wooden thing. Wooden structure. Get down there. Get down there, that spindle. Wait, wait, wait. Go. Go. Wait for cover fire. Now. Hold on, let me reload. Actually, I got enough. Ready to go? Get to that spindle down the left. Go, 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 go. We need people to move up.
We're going across the bridge or okay?
We gotta try. Hold on, I'll cover you. Get to that spindle down there.
All right. Good.
Ready? Go. Go, 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 go. Get down. Someone else keep moving up. Help him out.
That boy, let him out.
Where?
That boy, let him out. That boy coming out. That boy, let him out. Take him down, down, down.
Hurry up, hurry up.
That boy on the bridge. That boy on the bridge. That boy coming out. That boy, let him out.
Move up, Yellow! Move up! You guys gotta push! Come on! Get up here! Get up here! Come on, move! Get up here! Seriously, nobody? Come on! Move, go! We're dead if we sit here, move! Keep gaining ground, you guys are all clustered, come on! Seriously, hey, move up! Yellow, push forward! Go, I'm covering you! Is that kid out?
Take that behind the wood pile, Mike. Take that behind the wood pile.
I thought he put his hop up. I'm just not trying to shoot him if he's dead. Yellow, move up!
Clear, clean.
Thank you.
Yep.
Hey, guys, yellow guys, get up here! Come on! I'm running out of fucking ammo, come on! Let's go! They're moving in on us now. I'm like out of fucking ammo because no one came up. All right, dude. You want to cover me and I'm gonna get to that spindle up front there on the left. Hold on. That lower left spindle, there's a guy in the wood pile back there. Lay onto him, keep his head down. There, good shot. There's three on the left. All right. Cover me, cover me, cover me, cover me, cover me, cover me. Move up! Keep going. Someone come here. What do you got, bud? Take this spot. Watch it. Keep your head down. He's in the back over that way.
To the right?
Yep.
You got some guys to the right.
Yeah, I see him. I'm gonna go this wood pile over here. Throw right up here.
All right.
Cover me.
All right.
What do we got left?
I don't know what's left.
I don't want to go there and get shot.
Is that guy right there?
Probably.
Should we shoot him?
Where?
Is he out?
Yeah, he's out. I think. No, shit, his barrel bag.
Yeah, Green's running in.
All right, let's go.
I'm gonna run up to the school right here. And
Go.
Right.
Where's this guy at? He's still in there, Jake. Wood structure. Sweep left. You guys have the left flank. Go. Not us, not us. Green, push, push. We got here. Go. Go, go. He's the only one. He's the only one. Go. One in the top castle left. Good timing, boys. I'm like almost out of ammo. Peeling back! Keep moving, I'm running low on ammo. I'll leapfrog you, but you gotta give me cover.
Hold on, I'm coming to you.
All right, come on. Everyone's heads down. Good shit.
There you go.
All right. Oh, you got ammo?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, dude. Here, I'm gonna have half.
I'm just carrying them.
Here's a little bit left. If you want to top off yours. Thanks, buddy.
Yeah.
I can't see shit. Move up to this cover here. Either here or to the logs if you can get there. You got one up high.
Do you have a bad O-ring or something?
You do?
Yeah. Left wall's out.
He's down. Oh, he's dead.
Hey, yellow. I'm to the right.
Where? Where is he?
Right ahead of me. Mike well.
My
Oh, straight out of me, the spindles.
He's in the spin. Oh, I see him. I see him. I'm almost out of ammo, dude. That thing's so fucking quiet, dude.
I'm out of it.
Oh. Fuck it, I'm going to base. Is there a dead guy?
What's that?
Is there a dead guy coming out or no?
The one dead guy came out, yeah.
Okay.
Rob, come in! Rob, come in! Rob, come in!
We're in!
Right back top of the stairs.
Rep in the middle, rep in the middle. Get a yellow flag to castle. We own it. Get a yellow flag to castle.
Castle is neutral. CIA castle is neutral.
There's a guy over there on the left. Watch your back. Friendly, friendly. Say again, we have the castle. Bring a flag, bring a flag. Bring a yellow flag to the castle. Yes, I'm standing in it. There's no one here.